Hi class! This time, let's learn the 10 common shortcut keys that may help you prepare your PowerPoint presentation.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 8.
There are a lot of shortcut keys in PowerPoint that we use in preparing for our presentation. But here's the 10 common shortcut keys that will make you a PowerPoint wizard. Tab is used to select or move to the next object. So for example, on our PowerPoint slide, I am going to insert a shape here. So this is my object number 1. And then another one. Object number 2. And then object number 3. So keep in mind how I place each object on our slide. So this is my shape number 1, shape number 2, and shape number 3. So whenever I press tab, shape number 1 is the first selected object. So as I continue to press the tab key, the selection marker will jump from one object to another following the sequence of how I put the object on the slide. However, when you press Shift and then Tab key, notice that the selection marker moves backward in reverse sequence of how you place each object on the slide. If you already have multiple slides on your file and you would like to go back to your first slide, press the Shift key plus the Home key and it will bring you to the first slide. This is a convenient shortcut if you are currently far from the first slide. Now, if the cursor is inside the text box, notice that the cursor is at the center of the text box. Pressing Shift key plus Home key will put the cursor at the beginning of the text. While pressing Shift and End key will bring you to the last slide. Or if the cursor is inside the text box, it will go to the end of the text or line. Navigating the slide panel is easy using the Control key plus arrow up and down keys. You just choose one slide and it can be moved whether up or down by pressing Control, arrow up, it will move up, or arrow down, it will go down the slide navigation panel. To move a particular slide at the beginning or end of the navigation panel, you just choose a particular slide and then press Control key plus Shift key plus arrow up, and that particular slide is now our first slide. Or if you want to make that the last slide of your presentation, press Control key plus Shift key, then arrow down key. This shortcut key opens a Paste Special dialog box. Now to do this, you just need to choose a text box and we need to copy that. So press Control C. And then we are going to paste that anywhere on this slide. Like for example, we are going to put that here, Control Alt V. If we are going to choose from this dialog box the first option, which is Microsoft Office Graphic Object,
press OK, it will just copy the text, and still you will be able to edit that. But if we are going to choose image format, we are going to make the text to image. So we are going to choose PNG, for example. Now this is the PNG format of our text. You will not be able to edit this anymore because it's already an image. Or you may also choose JPEG format. Again, you will not be able to edit this because it's already an image. Now, if during the presentation, for example, you have your slideshow there, but at the middle of your presentation or discussion, you need to cover your slide, but you do not want to go back to your slide view, you just press letter B on your keyboard and it will turn into a black screen. Now, pressing B again, it will go back to your presentation and nothing is moved or edited on your slide presentation. During the slideshow presentation, you just press F5 and it will just go on a slideshow starting from the first slide. But you may start your slideshow presentation with any of the slides on your slide navigation panel. For example, we do not want our first slide to show on our slideshow. All we need to do is to choose a particular slide that we want to show first and then press Shift F5. This is a very useful shortcut, especially when you are practicing your slides or your PowerPoint presentation before the actual presentation. So you will be able to check if you have done a correct animation, a good color combination, or if the text is big enough for your audience to read. During the slideshow presentation, you may zoom in or zoom out your slide by pressing the plus key or the minus key. And that's the 10 common shortcut keys in PowerPoint. I hope it will help you as you prepare your PowerPoint presentation in the coming days. I also hope you enjoyed our bonus shortcut keys using the Alt key plus the numbers on our numpad. If you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to be updated for our upcoming videos. Thank you very much and be kind to one another.